rather murky and twisted murder case that we have been focusing on, the details of which we have been constantly bringing to you. Bengaluru court on Thursday extended police custody of Kannada actor Darshan Thoogudeepa and 3 other accused in the Renukaswamy murder case. The court extended the custody. It has extended the custody by 2 days. Dhanaraj, Vinay and Pradosh are the other 3 accused whose police custody were also extended. 13 other accused, including the actor's friend Pavithra Gowda, were remanded to 14 days judicial custody. A total of 17 people are now accused in the murder case. So quite a lot has been happening, quite a lot of details that have been coming to the fore. With that, let's cut across to our colleague, Mohammad Wajiullah, who's joining us on the broadcast. Waji, a very good morning to you. Do help us understand the extensions that's been granted and what are the latest updates we are getting in this rather twisted murder case that we've been following.
Well, yes, the court granted 2 more days of custody for Darshan, 4 accused especially, which includes Darshan, Dhanaraj, Vinay, and another person called Pradosh. Now, all these people are believed to be those who have been evasive, have not been giving the right answers that the police have been wanting, because Pradosh is believed to be one of those to whom Darshan had given close to 37 lakh rupees to make sure that the cover-up happens, and Pradosh is also believed to be the one who was supposed to get those people who would then confess about the crime in their name instead of taking the name of Darshan, who would be an alias basically. But as of now, Pradosh has not been cooperating with the police, is what we've been told. It is also said that Darshan had contacted a lot of people right after the murder to get some help. So they want to speak to those people also and find out from Darshan what was he speaking to them, and that interrogation still has to happen, and that is why the police have said that we need more time for questioning for the Darshan. Then there is another person called Dhanraj, which we've mentioned. It is believed that he is one of those who bought that electric wire and with which they electrocuted Renukaswamy. So they want to find out how they bought it. And Vinay again is believed to be one other person who was there at the shed, and he was one of the witnesses to this entire thing. And it is believed that there are videos of this entire incident in his phone. So they want to see if they could get his phone, because that phone has also been missing. So all these people who've been very evasive are one of those whose custody that the police have asked. Now, what the police have also told the court that Renukaswamy was thrashed badly with sandal of Renukaswamy. So, sorry, the sandal of Pavithra Gowda and all of these things. So, as of now, what the police, with the help of the court, have been able to seize close to 130 items, which includes CCTV footages, the car that was there that went to the shed, the bodies that, the clothes that were wearing on the body, the jewelry, the fake hair, and the original hair of Darshan. So, all these things have been taken into custody. A total of 139 items have been taken into, have been seized by the police. So now the police is trying to piece things together with 2 more days custody that they've given. They will be interrogating Darshan and the other 4 even more.
Right, Vaji. In fact, for that matter, 13 other accused, which also includes actor's friend Pavithra Gowda, were remanded for 14 days of judicial custody as well. Do help us put that into perspective for our viewers, as well as I have another question for you with regards to actor Darshan himself. Earlier, just a few days back, he had confessed about having helped, or rather having paid money for the disposal of the body. That's the only part of the entire crime that he has so far confessed to. But are there any evidences so far that's proven his involvement into this particular murder, behind this particular murder case, and any evidence that's come to the fore other than the particular confession he's made?
Well, firstly, to answer the 14th accused, the other 16 accused, no, other 14 accused who have been sent to judicial custody. Well, the police believe that they have enough evidences with regards to these people. They're fine with this statement. Now, all they need to do is collaborate those with the evidences that they can find. So they are fine with the questioning that has been done to them, and for that they've demanded a judicial custody. So they will be in Parapana Agrahara jail for the next 10 days. It remains to be seen how long that will be. But coming back to Darshan's confession, yes, that is the only confession Darshan has given with regards to the fact that yes, he had given money to cover up and make sure that his name does not come forward in this entire matter, so that there are other people who come forward, take the blame. Now, that alone itself is a crime in the eyes of the law, because you are trying to hide a crime. You're paying money, and that again is a crime. So that is something that Darshan has confessed to, but he's not confessed to the fact that he has murdered Renukaswamy or not. Now, what becomes incumbent on the police is that they get evidences to the same confession that Darshan has had. Because tomorrow in court, all these people can flip and say that we had done all this under the pressure of the police and so on and so forth. So for the police to make sure that that does not happen, they need to get those evidences that can back up those proof that can back their statement. So with regards to Darshan's presence and everything, they know Darshan's car was inside the shed, but whether he was
Right.
there inside or not. So there it becomes incumbent to get the phone of Vinay and Renukaswamy, which has been missing, because it is believed that there are
Right.
videos and photos in that. So that is something that the police has to find, and then they will be able to put a good case in court.
Absolutely, absolutely. Vajji, thank you for putting that into perspective for our viewers and bringing us all the latest updates into this case. It's a very twisted murder case that we've been tracking, with each day bringing in more details about how the entire incident, how the entire crime actually played out, and more beyond this particular murder case as well when we speak of actor Darshan, in fact.